Hi families, I just wanted to take a minute and tell you a little bit about Canvas. And Canvas will be where I'll put assignments and calendar information and just some information to help you know what kindergarten online will look like for the next little bit. So this is Canvas. It says practice, but it won't say practice when you see it. So if we scroll down, there's a video about me that you can feel free to watch. Over here on the side, you'll see here are some assignments that I've created. If you click on them, it will take you to that resource that you're able to do. You can also find that in your course calendar. Over here to the side, you'll see Zoom. If you click on that, it will take you links for our Zoom meetings. That will be our video platform that we will use. Sora is an online library that we'll use. We'll use Lexia Time, and if they click on that and enter their username and password, then students will be able to access the language arts activities. We will explore with Seesaw. We'll use ST Math, and we'll also use Wonders Online. So again, any of these that you click will take you directly to that website. All right. Underneath my video, this video will be posted, so you'll be able to access it anytime. If you need help, it will also be over here in this parent information section. So the first place I want to take you are these weekly digital lessons. So if you click on the backpack, it will take you to this list. And this says week 1, September 8th to September 11th. And what your child will do is start with Wonders Language Arts. You can start with the letter packet practice, and if you click on this, it will download it. We will also practice together. Please don't feel like you have to print the resources I put up. They're just for your information. The first thing that I'd like for your child to do is watch the video. So they'll click on the link, and then make sure that they also click on Go Full Screen. So we're actually going to exit this right now. But that way you can see, because this is very small, and then they'll listen to it. They only need to do where it says Tuesday to start. So you'll find the day of the week, and that's what they will do. And then underneath is an activity, and you will get a paper packet and a backpack that has some of these activities for you to be able to do. Next are these sight words and letter practice. So for Tuesday, you'll practice the letter I. You'll watch the video, remember to make it big, and then if you click this link, it will take you, oh, that looks like there's something I need to take care of that. It will take you to an activity, and I'll change that link, so it will take you to an activity. Next, you'll watch, these are Heggerty sound games, and they just practice things like letters and sounds and hearing sounds and words. There are only 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. On Mondays and Fridays, we'll do different activities. Make sure that they're watching the letter videos. They'll do the ELD activity. That's English language development. And the practice this week will be on oral vocabulary, so speaking and writing. So use those notebooks we're sending home. Next, we have math. So even though it says Monday, that's okay. You can choose to do it on Tuesday or just wait instead. The one thing that I wanted to show you is if you click on this activity, it will download a document that you can open, a PowerPoint, and then you'll be able to do the project. If you look here, and if you type your name, so I'm going to type in Miss Willie, this is a Nearpod activity. You can tell it's Nearpod because it has this little blue circle. You'll type in your name, and then you'll hit this arrow. And then you'll want to make sure that you make it big, and then you'll be able to do the activity. And then to exit out, you can just click on that little one. Okay. Then down here at the bottom, we have FOSS Science. We will have some web activities when those become available, but for now, we'd like you to just watch this video and think about the weather. At the end, you'll click the home button. That button will be the same on every page you click. Every page will always have that same home button. All right, and it will always bring you back to this page. Next, here's your parent information page. So let's go ahead and click on Parent Resources. And this is where, once again, you'll find the video about me, some pictures about me, some information. Now, here's the contact information. This link will take you to the North Star website. My email address, my cell phone, my classroom phone number. And then all of these here are links to resources that will help you throughout. So let's take a look at this class schedules. If we look at class schedules, here's just an option for what a class might look like. We're still finalizing some things. So we could have the class schedule that could be a learning session from 9:30 or from 9 to 9:45 or 11:45, we'd be doing small groups. If you're in the red group, you would click on the Zoom link and that will take you to where you need to go to listen and call in. Once again, always click to return to the parent information page or to return to the home page. If you are not in a Zoom meeting, please plan to work independently on those learning activities. All right, so then it brings you back to this page. There's information on digital citizenship with some videos, some websites you can access. So if we click on this online resources, it takes you here. Then at the bottom, there's information about if you've missed class and all sorts of information about the assessments. As always, if you need help, please let me know. And we'll click this to return to the home page. So that is a quick overview of what Canvas will look like. And then down at the very bottom, once again on the home page, is this information and my contact information.